Hey, bro, you wanna talk, bro?
What?
Get more shit you can talk, bro. What's up, man? This my man Isaiah, bro. Isaiah, you wanna talk to people, bro?
Sure.
You gonna be on YouTube.
Huh?
You gonna be on YouTube.
I don't know what to say.
Alright, so this is Isaiah. Castillo. Carrillo. Oh, I'm sorry. So I met Isaiah like what? 4 or 5 months ago. And how'd you find me?
YouTube.
YouTube. I'm on YouTube. Hey, maybe one of y'all one day. So when I met Isaiah, Isaiah was cool. Up and coming barber. He's gonna be one of the greatest barbers ever one day. He just started, but he's gonna be great. I guarantee you. Watch. You're gonna watch this video like what? I said, how old are you?
I'm 16.
I said about 21. So in about 5 years, he's gonna be one of the greatest. He's gonna be on the road to be one of the greatest of all times. And then you're gonna watch this. I'm gonna say, I told you so. But Isaiah has waited to get a haircut from me for like.
It's been about 2.5 months.
2.5 months.
Yeah.
But I love you, bro. Seriously, bro. About this transformation, we finna get my man some play. Tutorial. So, y'all stay tuned, watch the video, and nothing you wanna say. What's your Instagram?
Isaiah Carrillo 95.
Isaiah Carrillo 95. Isaiah doesn't post a lot now, but he will, ain't that right?
Yes.
He has to post more.
Yeah.
I always tell him that. So he's about to start posting more. Make sure y'all go follow him for the future, because you don't want to be one of the people that came on already when the bandwagon's already going. Just catch him now, and we'll do later. Also, look at my babies. Look at my babies over here. Say what's up. What's up? See the little game changers. Okay, all right. That's Damari. That's Damari. See a game changer shirt you can't see because the light is horrible. Okay, so let's get started. I'm back. So first thing, you're gonna notice my mirror is dirty. So yesterday was Saturday. Well, the day before the video was Saturday. Had a long day. They usually come clean Sunday. My mirror didn't get clean yet because I came in on early Sunday morning to knock this tutorial off. So don't judge. Usually keep it clean, but I had a very busy Saturday. And also I'm gonna start the fade off on the left side, but I recorded the whole thing blurry, so I had to. You're gonna see the fade tutorial on the right side. You'll see what I mean, but let's go ahead and get started. This is the before and you'll see the after soon.
Can I talk in the video? Or?
Oh yeah. You want to talk about something more in the video? What you want to talk about?
I'm talking about talking general.
Oh yeah. Music.
Okay.
Music, yeah. I just wanted you to get an intro for yourself, man. Give you a shout out, baby. You deserve it. What you talking about?
Like fade masters and masters are like the same thing, right?
Okay, so they're the same frame, same body. It's just the fade masters come with a surgical blade. Wakanda forever! Okay, so first things first, I want to clamp the top of his hair up. That's where the longer hair or the scissor or the comb is going to be. That work is going to be done at. So I clamp it up to keep it out the way to make my workspace clean. So right now, as you see, I'm actually balding with the hair. I'm using the Walls balders. And now when you're working with loosely curled hair or very fine hair, you want to give yourself a lot of room to work because it's so easy to cut this hair off. You don't want to make mistakes. So I'm giving them a drop, but I'm keeping it close to the ear and very low. So you guys are going to watch me do that, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now, if you ever seen any of my other tutorials on over curly hair, you'll notice I do a method called debulking where I take a bigger guard and basically thin out the part that I'm about to fade. Similar situation here, I'm just using clipper over comb. The reason why I use clipper over comb, you have straighter hair, it's kind of more flimsy, so I'm going to pull their hair out about a 45-degree angle, and I'm just taking off a little bit to thin it out so that it makes my job easier when I fade. Right now I'm just cleaning up the bald space, but remember I was just debulking there. Just different, same technique, different method on a different texture of hair. Okay, so now I'm about to take my Endless Masters to create the secondary line. After that, I'm going to debulk again just a little bit after the second line, so that way I can have a smooth. It's all about making my job easier. After I debulk again with my clipper over comb technique, I'm going to start the back of the fade with my Walls magic clip, but then I'm gonna like the power on my Andes Masters better, so I'm gonna pretty much take the first line out with those Andes Masters. Again, as you can see here, I'm just debulking with my magic clips. It's just all about making your job easier. You get those thick areas, take that bulk out because you're gonna have to fade into that, and you don't want to gap the hair or just mess up. So just make your job easier. It's all about technique and follow your steps. Okay, so now I'm about to start taking this line out. Now, remember when you're working with thinner hair, and I say Isaiah's hair is not thin, but when it comes to over curly hair, loosely curly hair is a little bit more thinner, and it's easier to gap or mess up. So you stay low and just really you're focusing on taking that line out, nothing else. You're not really fading up into the hair. It's all about steps. So right now you're just gonna see me work that first line out. You guys watch. I'll be back when it's time for the next step. But just look at my daughter in the background. But just work those steps out, all right? Okay, so as you're watching me take this line out, you're about to see me do like a tiger claw method. I turn the clippers or the masters upside down and I kind of go against. It's right there. Basically, that's the equivalent, depending on how you have your master set, to basically having your edges out. So it gives it more, it makes it sharper and more bald. Just an easier way to work that line out. Just a tip. Key for the day, all right? Watch me go help my daughter's this vending machine and snacks got stuck here in the background. Okay, so this is where we're gonna have to change sides. I didn't realize that as I was recording, I don't know what happened, but basically it all went blurry, and I guess the lost focus, start focusing on the background. So after I start debulking right here, I'm gonna flip to the other side, and you're gonna see me start to fade about 1, 2, 3 right now. Okay, so I have the 2 guard on, and I'm just doing more debulking. The longer hair is gone, the long hair on top is clamped up, so I'm basically just going to debulk, take the 2 around. Then I'm going to come with the 1.5, do the same thing. After I do all my debulking with my Walls Magic Clip, I'm going to take my Andes Masters with my 1/16 guard, which they call a 0, also a 1/16, and I'm going to fade that line. I'm going to blend the 2 sections together. Line 1A and 1B. All right? All right.
Remember when you use your 1/2, don't go too high.
My fault. I don't know what had just happened to my voice. But yeah, like I was saying, so this is the 1/16, and now as you can see, I'm taking my time and I'm slowly blending in the 2 parts, part A and part B. Be very careful, like I said, on thinner hair because it's easier to gap. See, sometimes, as you can see, I might leave the clipper flat, but my stroke always comes out. Okay, I always stroke it outward. Never just all the way up, okay? So when I get closer towards the front, I'm gonna work that area out with the with the 1.5 and the 1/16. right now, you about to see me lubricate the hair with water before I do my scissor over comb. Basically, about to cut his hair down. Want to be nice and even. Want to leave him some bangs so that he can flip over the back to make his comb over look pretty neat and stylish. My man Fly, man, he finna go to school and kill him. So just lubricate the hair all around. See you guys in a sec. Cool outside? Appreciate it. I gotta long style him up. I can't say thank you. Chill out, bro. Chill out, dude.
See what I'm saying? They about the same.
Yeah, you turn off, please.
You just don't get it like this.
Huh?
You have to be well seasoned to get it.
It's them years, though.
Yeah, boy. You tell a youngster to do something like this, he's gonna be able to handle it.
I appreciate it.
Woohoo!
That time.
When you turn his head, this is how you know the fade is tight. When you can walk on one side.
Hey, you see it? Yeah, you gotta see that
That's
angle.
a killer right there. That's only something artists can do. Bumbo!
Don't drop the bag. Okay, so after lubricating the top with water, we're gonna separate the bangs because we want the bangs to be longer. And since everything else is gonna be pretty much uniform, we're gonna separate that first. So as you can see first now, holding the hair up, he wants about a good inch off. So I'm taking an inch off first. That's gonna be my guideline. As you can see, I'm sloping it to a 45-degree angle because I'm gonna want the sides to all blend in. So that's why I'm tilting it. So closer to the fade, I'm gonna tilt it more of a 45-degree angle. The top and the middle are gonna be about an inch off. All right. So as you can see, I started with my guide and I add more to the side. See how I'm blending that hair close to the sides all the way in so it can be flush to the fade. So it can lay down in the hair and not stick out and not be bulky. I'll show you guys watch and I'll be back soon. Okay, so after I get that pretty nice and even, I'm going to cross check. So now I'm going to go the opposite way and just check that the length is all the way even across from the front to the back. As you can see, so I'm basically cross checking, going the opposite way of the way that I cut. Like checking your work. When you multiply, you divide to checking. When you divide, you multiply to checking. So same thing with here, okay? You go the opposite way just to check to make sure everything's even. After I even it all up, then I'm going to cut those bangs, cut about an inch off the bangs as well because it was already longer. Then I'm going to clip or over comb the side to make sure that it blends in very smooth with the comb over meets the fade. Okay, so right here, I'm just blending the two sections in, cutting off all those hairs that hang a little bit over. See, I'm pulling it out to about a 90-degree angle, about 75 really, to make sure everything's nice and flush. So when it comes to Isaiah edge up, first I want to clamp the front and back. I don't want to push his edge up back. I don't believe in it. So I'll start with the sides, follow the natural line. He has a nice dark edge up, so it's going to come out nice and smooth. Now when it comes to the very front of his hair, it's kind of thin, but it lays under that longer hair on top, so you can't really notice. But once he styles his hair, you're going to see it. But we're going to keep it natural. He doesn't want to push it back, so we're going to give him a light edge up on the front. Like I said, it's so thin already. But the focus of this hair is going to be the top style anywhere in the fade. So I just want to let you guys know that, but as you can see, I'm combing those hairs down. It's going to hang when he styles his hair. Knock those off. But other than that, we're going to keep it nice and natural when he edges the front of his hair. Okay, so now it's time to style his hair. He pretty much styles it at home himself, but for the sake of the video, and so that he leaves the shop nice and fresh, I'm going to go ahead and style it for him, and then he'll redo it at home the way that he prefers it. Set. What you think so far? You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, my man. I think we look good. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. You want to say nothing?
I don't even got nothing to say.
He never got nothing to say. He just
Quiet,
quiet, handsome guy, bro. He don't talk much. All right, so make sure you go follow him. What's your Instagram name again?
Isaiah Carrillo 95.
Isaiah Carrillo. You know, it's funny. You can't tell how tall he is, bro. Let me stand him up so you can tell how much taller he is than me, bro. Yeah, I know you can't even see his head. Super tall. Go follow my boy, man. What's your name again on Instagram?
Isaiah Carrillo 95.
Isaiah Carrillo 95. Let me clean this hair up off him pretty good. All right, Sauce, man. See y'all later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Tell him, Mark. Hold on.
Wait, subscribe.
Oh.